Today we're taking a look at the brand new Cubot KingKong ES5, an affordable rugged smartphone that's built to survive just about anything. It comes with IP68 and IP69K water and dust resistance, MicroSD 810H military certification, a huge 7000 mAh battery, a smooth 120Hz display, Android 16 and a 64MP camera. In this video we'll unbox it, see everything included in the box, test its performance, cameras, battery, and find out if the ES5 is worth buying. So let's get started. The Cubot KingKong ES5 comes packaged in Cubot's familiar clean retail box. After cutting the factory seal and lifting the lid, you're immediately greeted by the phone itself. Removing it, the first impression is exactly what you'd expect from a rugged phone: solid, durable, and definitely feels like it's built to last. Inside the box you also find USB Type-C charging cable, power adapter, SIM eject tool, user manual, warranty information, and everything is neatly packed and ready to go. Unlike traditional smartphones, the ES5 is designed with durability as its top priority. The phone measures 182.5mm tall, 83.1mm wide, and 11.4mm thick, weighing around 301 grams. It's heavier than a regular smartphone, but that's because it's built to withstand harsh environments. The reinforced corners, rugged frame, and textured back provide excellent grip, making it ideal for outdoor activities, construction sites, or anyone who needs a phone that can take a beating. The ES5 carries both IP68 and IP69K certifications, meaning it's resistant to dust, rain, mud, and even high-pressure water jets. It's also certified to the MicroSD 810H military standard, giving you extra confidence against drops and tough conditions. Another nice feature is the built-in dedicated flashlight, which is much brighter than a standard camera flash and can be genuinely useful when camping, hiking, or working at night. The side-mounted fingerprint scanner is quick and responsive, while dual nano SIM support makes it perfect for work and travel. On the front, the KingKong ES5 features a 6.88-inch IPS LCD display with a 120Hz refresh rate. Although the resolution is HD+ at 720 by 1640 pixels, the display looks bright, responsive, and perfectly suitable for everyday use. Scrolling through Android 16 feels smooth, animations are fluid, and a larger display makes browsing, watching videos, and gaming enjoyable. Outdoor visibility is also good, which is especially important for a phone designed to be used outside. Powering the KingKong ES5 is the Unisoc T620, an octa-core processor built on a 12nm process. It features two Cortex-A75 performance cores running at 2.2 GHz, paired with 6 Cortex-A55 efficiency cores, delivering a solid balance between everyday responsiveness and battery efficiency. The phone comes with 6GB of RAM, which can be expanded virtually for smoother multitasking, along with 128GB of internal storage. If you need more space, you can also expand the storage with a MicroSD card. Running Android 16, the software feels clean and straightforward without unnecessary bloatware. Navigation is smooth, apps open quickly, and for everyday tasks like web browsing, social media, streaming videos, and messaging, the ES5 performs reliably. To see its performance under heavier workloads, I also ran several benchmark tests. In Geekbench 6, the phone achieved a single-core score of 459, a multi-core score of 1515, and a GPU compute score of 522. In 3D Mark, it scored 949 points in Slingshot Extreme and 422 points in Wildlife. In Antutu benchmark, the ES5 reached 408,983 points, which is a respectable result for a rugged smartphone in this price range. Gaming performance was another pleasant surprise. I tested 3 popular mobile games on the ES5: Mobile Legends, Diablo Immortal, and Garena Free Fire. All 3 games ran very well during my testing. Mobile Legends delivers smooth gameplay with responsive controls and stable frame rates throughout the matches. Free Fire also performed great, providing fluid gameplay with no noticeable stuttering or lag, making it an enjoyable experience for both casual and competitive players. Finally, I tried Diablo Immortal, which is a much more demanding title. Even here, the KingKong ES5 handled the game surprisingly well. While I didn't play at the highest graphic settings, the gameplay remained smooth and perfectly enjoyable. The phone also stayed reasonably cool during longer gaming sessions, and the large 6.88-inch 120Hz display made everything feel more responsive and immersive. For photography, the ES5 features a 64-megapixel main camera, accompanied by a 2-megapixel macro camera and an auxiliary sensor. During daylight, the main camera captures detailed images with good colors and decent dynamic range. Portrait shots look natural, while the macro camera allows you to get closer to smaller subjects. Low light performance is acceptable for this price range, although some image noise becomes visible. On the front, there's a 16-megapixel selfie camera that's suitable for video calls, social media, and everyday selfies. Overall camera performance is solid for a rugged smart device in this price range. One of the biggest highlights of the ES5 is its massive 7000 mAh battery. This easily provides 2 full days of normal use and even longer for lighter users. Whether you're working outdoors, traveling or gaming, battery anxiety simply isn't an issue here. The phone also supports NFC, Bluetooth 5.2, dual-band Wi-Fi, GPS, Galileo, GLONASS and Baidu navigation. We also get USB Type-C with OTG support. These features make the ES5 a practical companion for both work and everyday life. So guys, is the KingKong ES5 worth buying? If you're looking for a smartphone that's built to survive harsh environments, while still offering a smooth 120Hz display, Android 16, a capable 64-megapixel camera and exceptional battery life, then the answer is definitely yes. Overall, the ES5 offers excellent value for anyone who needs a durable smartphone that can keep going where ordinary phones simply can't. So guys, that wraps up our review of the Cubot KingKong ES5. If you enjoyed this video or found it helpful, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you never miss future smartphone reviews, gaming and tech videos. Thank you for watching and see you all in the next video.